In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate drum sounds from audio track in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Import your audio file by tapping the import button. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the toolbar and tap on separate audio. CapCut Pro will display various audio elements that can be separated, like vocals, instrument, guitar, and more. From the list option, select drum. After that, tap the separate button to extract the drum element from the original audio. CapCut will process your audio file and create another layer containing only the drum sound extracted from the original track. Once it's done, play the audio to hear the result. Once satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your audio file. And that's it. You've successfully separated drum sounds from your audio in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.
If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!